Oh, what's up, guys? This is Diane Hogarth here, millionaire mom, helping you at home make money online. Would you like to make money while doing nothing? Well, this top tip of the day, you're going to be impressed with. If you go to Google and choose a topic, this topic I've chosen is get a six-pack abs. You can do photography, you can do yoga, you can do affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? You can do whatever you want. So you copy this link at the very top, but if you scroll down and have a look what it's about, it's the workout and the routine, and it's got 5 exercises and how many reps and exactly how to do it properly. Okay, so that's, you just got to get the gist for the last section. Okay, so what do I do with the link? Now I've got it. So you copy the link, Control-C, Control-V, and shrinkme.io is, they pay you to share their links. So if you're in England, you'll get $7 per 1,000 views. Oh, it's tablet and desktop. Okay, same price. So in the United States, it's $7. In Greenland, it's $22. In Ireland, it's $16. Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Mexico, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Vietnam, Turkey. So it's more or less worldwide. Now, payment proof. This is all paid to PayPal. And if you just scroll down, $14, $28, $11. So, and this is like today. So you get $7 for 1,000 views. Now, where are you going to put the links? And how do you change it to the one that makes the money? So you log in to shrinkme.io, put the new shorten link, and then it says manage links. Shorten it to this one here. Then you go to Fiverr, and if you want to do an Instagram shout out, for example, you can pay them a little bit of money. This one's, say, £4, say a Fiverr, for 50,000 Instagram, 50,000 followers on her Instagram. So if you could get 1% of 50,000 is 50. So if you paid £4.21, say a Fiverr, and you got 50 times 7, that's $250 back. Hey guys, I knew you'd like this one. Another idea. Stay tuned, because I am going to show you a free way in just a minute. And which country are you from? Just say hello. I'm from India, I'm from Vietnam, I'm from Canada. Just tell me which country you're from, and I can keep doing videos for your country, guys. Okay, the next one I want to show you is Shoutouts Cars. Again, you can buy shout outs, $10 for 386,500. 35. This is a bit more expensive, but you can actually choose food and nutrition, motorcycles, cars, and narrow it down to your niche. Now, this is the free version. Have you heard of Quora? Quora is a question and answer forum, and I've just put get a six-pack. So you obviously have to log in, put the topics that you're interested in, but there's all the subjects under the sun. So what is the ideal diet for getting a six-pack? What type of exercises? 257 people are following this one. So if you, how do you get six packs but lots and lots of followers? Right, so if you want to answer this one, you press the answer button and say, hello guys, I just found this great article in Men's Health that shows you 5 simple exercises with a video on how to do them. Very easy to follow. Find the article here. Then you highlight it, add the link. That's not the right link. I didn't copy and paste. So you go back to this link here, copy that. Whoops. Hold on. This is plagued with ads, this is, you know. Here we go. Copy. Right. And go back to Quora. Have an answer draft. Find the article here. Click the link, enter the URL, Control V, submit. Don't forget you also need to keep up some cardio and eat properly too. Sound intelligent as though you know what you're doing. Right, that's the free version. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm now going to tell you how you can get, that's like, if you've got a job, that's like exchanging time for money. This is called passive income. So you can get a little bit of passive income, $7 here, $7 there. But if you want a full-time income, just click the link below. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.